Hello, good morning guys. Today I will show you how to make thumbnail for a video via using Canva application. As I don't have that Canva application, so from Play Store I'm downloading it. You can see Canva. Yeah. As this downloading is happening, in this time only go like and share and subscribe my channel. Yeah. It takes a few seconds to download, install. After that, open the application. It will take a few seconds. Yeah. Then after, just log in with your respective email. After login, it will show like Canva. This only, it will show the logo. And you are ready to go to make thumbnail for your video. Yeah. Go to the plus button and go to the YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, it will be a blank page. Yeah, it will open like this. First of all, I am just selecting the background as per my need. No, this is not as per my need. I will select another one because I am making the thumbnail for ISKCON temple. As I went to ISKCON temple yesterday. Yeah, see, so I am using the background as peacock feather. I am just writing the heading, a day with Nandita's Chandanala, as my YouTube name. Yeah, YouTube name, a day with Nandita's Chandanala. I'm just selecting the font because font selection is very important. In which font which should be, because the font matters a lot. Actually, we generally ignore, but it matters a lot to the viewer. Yeah, I am selecting the best font for that. Actually, I am a bit confused in this matter. Which font should be best in this? Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, that's correct. I'll place this one only. Now I'm selecting the correct position. I'm just again reshaping it by selecting the font size. My second heading, as my second heading is Mayapur, a visit to Mayapur. Mayapur. Again, I'll select that font. Font and color of that letters, color of that words. Yeah, this is better. Yes, this is better. Yeah. So the color selection, we should be according to the background. Yeah. Then the size. my main theme should be visible to every viewer, because as I'm making a thumbnail, it should be a clickbait. Many of the big YouTubers doesn't just prefer this because they're gathered their audience, but as I am a not so much big YouTuber, so I think I prefer that clickbait also. You can find after some time. Not so much tanky clickbaits like that 1000k viewers, not so much tanky clickbait, means general clickbaits. Means the person who is just wanting that from me and I'm just giving that. This information should be in the thumbnail. Yeah. After that, I'll be going to use that temple elements. When you go with the elements or clippers, then you'll be finding a temple also there. And as I have went to the temple only, so I'll be using that clipper. Viewers needs more realistic things. Okay, so I'm going ahead with this one. Mystical land. So this is the part of when I'm using that clickbait. That mystical land means when the viewers will be seeing that at the first time, it will give an impression to the viewers that it is a mystical land. Means something tangy, something not in the line. Okay. So it will be increasing your viewers count also. Yeah, I am selecting the font of that. Best font should be selected. Yeah. Font selection is one of the hazy process for me. Yeah. Now I'll be selecting the color of that font, size and color. Color should be green, light green. Why I have put green, you know better, because the feather color of the feather is green and it gives a vibe. Okay. One should know before making the thumbnail, one should know about the color combination, on which color which suits the most. So go with it, the color combination also. I'll making it more realistic so that people always like to watch my video at first before going to another video. Yeah, as I have seen in very other YouTubers that they make a very simple thumbnail, but as they are very popular, simple thumbnail also becomes very effective to the viewers. As you are not, or I am not that very popular YouTuber, so I need a tangy thumbnail, isn't it? Yeah, go with it. Now I am just including some pictures, so making so more realistic to the person or to the viewers. See how to add that picture. Yeah, I'm just arranging it. It's cool. I just add picture in that. see how I add picture. Okay, I'm sending the pictures like that only. See, making a collage also, it will be giving a big impact. Just leave and one other thing that you can add like this also. You can just select some picture and it will be shown in upload media. I've also selected the picture before, that's why I'm not doing it. Now I am adding the pictures to the frame. See how cool it is. I'm just also adjusting the picture in the same instance. You can adjust it by double clicking on the picture icon